here's how we can change the photo resolution on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, if you open the camera and if you are in the photo mode, over here in the top right corner we can choose the amount of megapixels that we wish to have while taking a photo. And of course the highest resolution will be provided by choosing 200 megapixels. And in addition to that, you can also tap on these four dots on the right side, where you can also choose the amount of megapixels that you wish to use, but you can also choose the aspect ratio, and ideally for photos you want to use 3:4 aspect ratio, as it provides the highest resolution. If you choose any other, while the resolution still might be high, it will not be the highest. So these two options mainly choose or generates or have an impact on the photo resolution. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.